If you've been planning to start your own website, blog, or online business, then listen carefully. This is the best time to take action. Hostinger is offering one of its biggest Black Friday 2025 deals, and in this video, I'm going to explain step by step how you can grab this offer, apply the coupon code, and save a huge amount of money on your hosting plan. Most people wait for discounts like this all year. Hostinger is already known for being one of the most affordable and reliable hosting companies in the world. But during Black Friday, the prices drop even more, and the deals are honestly too good to ignore. Whether you're a student, a beginner, or a business owner, this is your chance to get quality hosting without spending a lot. The first step is very simple. Just click the link in the description below. This will take you straight to the official Hostinger Black Friday sale page. Once you're on the page, you'll see different hosting plans with their discounted prices clearly mentioned. You don't need to search for hidden deals because everything is already unlocked for this special sale. Now it's time to pick the right plan. If you're just starting out, the single web hosting plan is perfect because it's affordable and gives you everything you need to launch a basic website. But if you want more features, speed, and flexibility, you can go for the premium or business plan. These give you extra benefits like more storage, better performance, and a free domain name. Once you select your plan, go to the checkout page. Here's where the magic happens. I've shared a coupon code in the description of this video. Simply copy it, paste it into the coupon box, and hit apply. Instantly, the price will drop even more. You'll be shocked at how much you can save in just a few seconds. Now let's talk about why Hostinger is such a good choice. One of the most important things for any website is speed, and Hostinger provides fast loading times. This means your visitors won't have to wait, and your site can also rank better on Google. Next, you get a free SSL certificate, which keeps your website secure. With most plans, you also get a free domain name, so you don't have to spend extra money on that either. And of course, they offer 24/7 customer support, so if you ever face a problem, their team is always ready to help. The best part about this Black Friday deal is that you can lock in this low price for a long term. Instead of paying monthly at a higher rate, you can pay once during the sale and save a huge amount over the year. But here's something very important. This offer won't last forever. Black Friday deals come once a year, and once the sale ends, the prices will go back up. So if you've been thinking about building your website or starting your online journey, now is the perfect moment to make it happen. All you need to do is click the link in the description, choose your hosting plan, apply the coupon code, and grab your deal before it's gone.